Happy Halloween, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are reviewing short vowels. Short A says ah. Short E says eh. Short I says I. Short O says ah. And short U says My first picture is a picture of a map. 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 Please write the missing short vowel. That's right. We're missing short A. Ah. My next picture is of a bun, like a hamburger bun. B-a-n, bun. Please write the missing sound Then inside our next pumpkin, we have a net. 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 Please write the missing middle sound. Net. Net. Inside our next pumpkin, we have a picture of a nut. Nut. Please write the missing middle sound. Nut. Next, we have a picture of a pit. P-it. Pit. P-it. Pit. Then we have cab. K-a-b. Cab. K-a-b. Cab. Our next picture is of a cot. K-a-t. Cot. Please write the missing middle sound. K-a-t. Cot. Then we have a picture of a couple who just was wed. That means they just got married. Wed. W-e-d. Wed. Our last is a zipper that is going to zip up. Z-i-p. Zip. Z-i-p. Zip. Okay, my friends, please pick one color crayon. I'm going to use red. Please color the pumpkins that have an ah sound in the middle. Ooh, map. A-p. Is there another pumpkin that has the middle ah vowel? Oh, there it is. Cab. K-a-b. Any other short A, ah sounds? I don't think so. Okay, please pick a different colored crayon. We are now going to color short U's that say Can you please find a pumpkin with the short U, Oh, right here at the top. Bun. B-a-n. Bun. And nut. N-a-t. Nut. Both of those words have short U, Now please pick out a different colored crayon again. We are going to look for words that have a short E. A. Short E says eh. I'm going to use green for short E, but you can use whatever color you'd like. Is there another pumpkin with short E, eh? That's right, at the bottom. Net and wed both have short E, eh. Now, pick a different colored crayon again. This time we're looking for short I, I. Pit. And zip, zip, zip. Way to go. Now, friends, I don't have another color on my iPad, but you have another color in your crayon box. Will you please pick a different color in your crayon box and color our short O a different color? Aw. Way to go. When you're done, flip your paper over. Okay, boys and girls, for this side of our pumpkin spell, you will need a orange crayon to color your pumpkins and your pencil. Now, I don't have orange, so I'm going to use yellow, but I want you to use orange. So please take out your orange crayon. And we are going to color the pumpkins that spell pop. Pop. P-A-P. Pop. I see P-A-P. Please pause the video and color the pumpkins that spell pop. Now with your pencil, we are going to write the word pop using our pencil. P-A-P. Pop. Very nice, boys and girls. Our next picture is of a dog, and he is trying to beg. B-E-G. Beg. With your orange crayon, please color the pumpkins that spell beg. You can pause the video if you need time. B-E-G. Beg. With your pencil, please write beg. B-E-G. Beg. Our next picture is of gum. G-U-M. Gum. Please color the pumpkins to spell gum. G-U-M. Gum. With your pencil, please write gum. G-U-M. Gum. Our next word is gag. G-A-G. Gag. When you cover someone's mouth, it's called a gag, so they can't talk. G-A-G. Gag. With your pencil, please write gag. G-A-G. Gag. Our next word or picture, you can see the arrow is pointing to her hip. H-I-P. Hip. With your orange crayon, please color the sounds to spell hip. H, I, P, hip. Please write hip. H, I, P, hip. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great. Happy Halloween.